Hello everyone. So as you know, I made a mistake with my Creality K2 Plus, and I've been to the nozzle. So here's the original one. I cannot get it to go back in or thread all the way in or even thread out. So this hot end is kind of destroyed. So I decided, I'm like, okay, well, I have a spare unicorn nozzle, but I went ahead and I ordered an additional pack of nozzles for the next time that I make a mistake or I want to swap these out. So I was getting ready to do the swap out, and I went and found the extra nozzle that came with the K2 Plus, and I got the parts together from the old one so I could just kind of compare them. And then I went and opened the box for the new hot end, and I was very happily surprised when it came, and it already included a 0.4 nozzle already installed. So this is going to make this repair on the K2 Plus a lot easier. And additionally, what it came with was a little baggie, your Allen key, and the screws required in order to put it back in the K2 Plus. I'm not sure why it came with the thermal grease, unless I'm required to use it for if I ever swap it out the nozzle. But having the extra grease is nice, because if you look in here, you only get one little package of grease when you purchase the extra nozzle kit. So, I mean, if we look at the box, there's not much say. Okay, K2 Plus ceramic heating block kit. Imagine, okay. Yeah, but comes with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, which I was unaware of when I ordered this. So I actually didn't need to order these, but I'm going to keep them. I'll put them in with all of my extra parts for my 3D printers. This guy, I may mess with at some point, but I think I'm just gonna put this up somewhere just to remind me not to make mistakes. And this will also go in the extra parts. So hopefully this helps somebody out. So that way, if you do need to order parts and you've made the same mistake I have, you can just order the hot end and have it replaced if you bend your unicorn nozzle and you can't get it out of the hot end.